unless you want to do it with your.
There we go.
Believe it or not, the hammer works better than the mallet in this one. You guys learned about info?
No.
Yeah,
That one's fine.
that one makes sense.
This is actually a really cool one. I don't know why it looks awesome.
Because it doesn't have the back the way they are now.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Alright, so I guess we got some center punch action going on.
Oh, nice.
Center punch action.
Hold your ears, guys. It's gonna be loud. You okay?
Yeah. That was a delayed reaction.
How was it? That was really.
Alright, so like the idea is I hit that pretty hard. You can feel it, but I don't know if it's enough to like really grab the bit. Like the idea is if it's like, I mean this isn't the wood. I mean this is old. I can do this. Like, I mean that makes a nice hole there. That would.
You gotta love that we're able to do this now, huh?
Yeah,
The pilot hole shouldn't really be that deep, just as long as you're. That looks like it might have got some damage, yeah?
Yeah, so like, and if I get my bit out, right? Excuse me, guys. Be happy if you didn't put your face on it. Okay.
Do we need goggles or anything for this?
Yeah, should
Probably a gap.
do I or do you?
I don't know. Do I?
Yes, you do.
Depends how close you're putting your face.
Legally or...
That was funny. The law and physics club are like two different things. So what I did there is I just kind of made like, I do this thing, I do like a two-finger thing where I kind of like, I don't know, I limited it to them now. Exactly. It makes that divot a little bigger, and then hopefully that'll grab you too. There we go. Look at that, man. Beautiful.
That's great. Only 99 more times to go.
Well, I've already done this for a couple hours.
33
33 more to go.
Oh, we could definitely get this done today.
Yeah. So I was pretty much going to hammer these all out, and then...
Let's do it then.
Is there another one of these
I'm just
you
gonna-
could use? Or is this the only one?
that's the only one that's small. Actually, you know what? If you guys want to do this, I mean, if you don't mind,
Yeah.
if you guys want to do a couple hammer punches for me,
Yeah.
a couple center punches, and feel free to like really wail on it. I have the mouse pads here to absorb shock.
Sweetness.
I got you.
Catching
All
this.
right.
But do you think they'll be...
I was going to use the restroom. Don't use the drill, please. What's up?
Let's see how Gabby's gonna do
Can
this.
you unplug that? That way it
Hit it.
Look at the plans, bro. I'm just saying, like,
It's one if we're able to get it, but actually operational, it wouldn't be a toy, like a lot of these that we make and stuff, it would actually be an
Alright.
Don't miss.
Don't miss. The laser thing is actually
like one little split into six.
Don't miss.
Yeah, that's one
I mean,
part.
seriously, this isn't. He's right. It isn't enough to really punch a hole through. It's just enough to chip the paint off.
I tried.
You're not supposed to punch a hole through. You're supposed to make a dent.
Something like that also, we would either...
But yeah, but it's not enough to dent
Where'd you
through
make the
it.
dent? Did you make it right there?
I'm not sure like how it would be because, I mean, I've seen me like one piece of it, but you get close to it, it makes a sound, but I'm not sure how...
Oh, there we go. Nice solid hit.
They made a how do I say it?
I'll bring in this one too.
An etched it. Like this.
You slightly nicked it. You made a slight indentation. Let's call it that.
Look at that. Look.
Surrender the Ginger is actually doing a lot better than the Filipino.
Hey!
I like how you naturally knew he was Filipino.
He's told me like a bunch of times.
Yeah. Hey.
I don't know.
I'm trying to remember. It's the
please.
Manila Peninsula. It's off.
No,
It's an
Filipino.
island.
No,
It's an island chain.
I know, but it's east of the
Chinese.
Manila Peninsula or something. I can't remember what it's
China.
called. It's the
South
Laos
China
and the what? I don't know.
It's south of Indonesia.
Manatee Peninsula?
I know, but what's the peninsula where it has Laos and what's that peninsula?
They don't cut.
It's not a peninsula.
Manila. I thought
It's
there was
not
name.
a. It's
I
not a
know.
peninsula.
I thought there was a name
Sinai?
for it. Manila.
That's in Egypt. Sinai's in
Okay, you
Egypt.
know what?
I don't...
We're done.
I'm just naming peninsulas.
It's not a peninsula.
No.
Yeah, it's not a peninsula. It's just a region formerly known as Indochina.
Yeah.
It's still references Indochina.
I might-
but
Can't believe we're all talking about geography.
It's actually French, and it used to be French Indochina because France took over.
that's
We
what
don't
I'm saying.
care.
That's true.
We don't care.
Hey, that was my social
Are you
studies.
getting that on
Yeah.
That was my social studies core assessment.
Yeah, mine was South Africa in the Boer Wars. There we.
Wait, what was this for?
Social
What class?
modern world history.
This was before they changed to econ. Yeah, your class is your year has econ, right? Yeah. Oh, for World of Christmas? Yeah, I wanted to do it over the weekend, but I never got the email because it took me just to get out what I was going to do on Monday. Yeah. So I've had, like, not really much time to. Oh, I think that's okay. Zoom in. Oh, you know what I just learned about Debbie? Yeah. She watches John Stewart. Oh yeah, I know that too. I didn't know that. So my kids have brought her now to the first. Oh, did you go today? Yeah. Oh yeah. No. It was the value and all studio. I know, but
I was there.
I was yeah. You were the team. I don't want that thing that close. Yeah. The whole camera right up. Yeah, just in case. That's just scary, guys. I won't break the camera, man. Wait. Yeah. I completely lost focus. You know I'm going to look at that.